Hey everybody, how are you today? Alright, so I think I'm going to do what I started off thinking I was going to do. I think that I'm going to take this binder and I'm going to decorate it with this. And this is something I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and it says, don't limit your challenges, challenge your limits. And you know what? I think I'm going to save that. Why can't I use this on something? I'm going to just cut that out real quick. Why not? How cute. There you go. Save that, girls. Alright, so it says Think Green, PVC free. Like I said, when I did this video, this haul, I do have the Cricut. But for $1, dollar, you know, you hear my New York, my dollar? I got my dollar, I paid my dollar. For $1. I have so many of you girls tell me you love my voice and my accent. Oh my god. And then I go, are they being too kind? What the heck do I sound like? Oh, you all make me laugh. Alright, so, got this at my Dollar Tree. Oh, I just went off on a tangent. Let's take this and put it on here. I haven't worked with one of these in a long time. So, I'm assuming you just peel and stick. Oh, how cute is this? I like things on a catty corner. Say it. I want it to stick nicely. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is just stinking cute. Oh my gosh. And I didn't have to cut it on the vinyl. I didn't have to do all that work. All I have to do is peel and stick, buy a dollar store binder and pick out a dollar store sticker. Loving their stickers. Don't limit your challenges. Let's see, where do we want that? Challenge your limits. Oh, tell me that's not adorable. And then it gave us 2 flowers. And I'm thinking, one there, and the other right next to it. I would have liked a third. No, not digging that there. Let's get that baby up. Let's see, where can we put this? Oh, you know what? Right at the end. Ta-da! Look at how cute! Tell me that wasn't an easy peasy 5 minute. I don't even think this video is going to be 5 minutes. This is going to be an extra video thrown at you girls. Show you what you can do. Keep that creativity going. I'm not kidding you. My name of my channel, Powered by Creativity, the truth is that being creative recharges my batteries. Some days you get like the pressure from outside, or like, you know, just the weather stinks, or this one's complaining about that, blah, 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 right? But put me in my office that I jokingly call my think tank, and let me create something, and I will come out a happy girl. Happy, happy girl. And the other thing is this. If I'm down and out, or, you know, just, okay, whatever, and a certain song comes on, I go from being down here to being up here. And they used to joke that, they were joking about me, of course, they'd be like, music does soothe the savage beast, because we could all get that beastiness in us, but put on a certain song And I'm a teddy bear compared to a gorilla. I think when you say soothe the savage beast, I think of King Kong up on the Empire State Building. But enough of that. Look at how cute this is. All right, girls, guys, whomever is watching me, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.